Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to change EBT card on DoorDash. So, the first thing that you need to do is just go ahead and go to your DoorDash. And from here, you just have to make sure that you're logged in. Now, once you're in, you just have to go to your profile at the top. So, we're going to click on this one. And then once you click on that, you will see all these options right here. So, what you're going to do is go ahead and go to the payment methods. Click on that. And then from the payment method, you will see this Snap slash EBT card. So if you want to remove EBT card and then replace a new one, so we're going to click on this one right here. And then, so from here, you just have to add the card number of the Snap or EBT card that you have. So just type in here the card number. And then once you're done with that, you just really have to tap on save at the top right. And that's basically it. That's how you change your EBT card on DoorDash 2025. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!